Hello everyone, welcome to Premier Math. Today we are going to discuss some important time and work questions based on previous year questions. We will be solving these questions using speed matrix. So let's start our session. Our first question is A and B can do a piece of work in 15 days. B and C can do the same work in 10 days. A and C can do the same work in 12 days. Time taken by A, B and C together to do the job is. Here, A and B can complete a work in 15 days and B and C can complete the same work in 10 days and A and C can complete the same work in 12 days. Now, A and B, B and C, A and C all are doing the same job. So, take the LCM of 10, 15 and 12. Here, LCM of 15, 10 and 12 is 60. Now 15 goes 4 times in 60, 10 goes 6 times in 60, 12 goes 5 times in 60. Now concept of this diagram means total work is 60 unit. Total work is 60 unit and efficiency of A and B is 4 unit. That means A and B can do 4 unit of work in a day. Efficiency of B and C is 6 unit. That means B and C can complete 6 unit of work in a day. Efficiency of A and C is 5 unit. That means A and C can complete 5 unit of work in a day. Here, add A, B, B, C, A, C together. There is 2A, 2B and 2C. That means 2 into A plus B plus C. Efficiency is here 4 plus 6 plus 5. AB efficiency 4, BC efficiency 6, AC efficiency 5. If you add all these together, there is 2 into A plus B plus C, which is equal to 15. That means efficiency of A plus B plus C is 15 by 2, which is equal to 7.5 unit. So here total work is 60 unit and efficiency of A, B and C is 7.5 unit. That means time taken by A, B, C together to complete the 60 unit work is 60 by 7.5, which is equal to 8 days. So option C is your answer. A, B and C can complete a work in 10, 12 and 15 days respectively. A left the work 5 days before the work was completed and B left 2 days after A had left. The number of days required to complete the whole work is. Here A can complete a work in 10 days, B can complete the same work in 12 days and C can complete it in 15 days. Now work rate is same. Take the LCM of 10, 12 and 15. LCM is 60. That means total work is 60 unit. 10 goes 6 times in 60, 12 goes 5 times in 60, 15 goes 4 times in 60. That means A has 6 unit efficiency, B's efficiency is 5, C's efficiency is 4. The question clearly says that A left 5 days before the work was completed. Let X be the total number of days to complete this work. Then A left 5 days before the work was completed. That means for X minus 5 days, A, B and C were working together. Then A left, that is remaining is 5 days. But B left 2 days after A had left. That means after A left, B and C were working together for 2 days. But B left 3 days before the work because B only worked for 2 more days after A had left. So the remaining is 3 days. Now A and B left, remaining is C. So C alone worked for 3 days. Now here efficiency of C is 4. That means work completed by C in this 3 days is 3 into efficiency of C is 4. So 12 unit is the work completed by C in 3 days. And work completed by BC in 2 days is 2 into efficiency of B and C is 5 plus 4, 9 unit. So 2 into 9, 18 unit. Now total work completed by BC in 2 days plus C in 3 days is 18 plus 12, 30 units. So remaining work is, total work is 60, remaining work is 60 minus 30, which is equal to 30 unit. This 30 unit work is completed by ABC. So ABC efficiency is 6 plus 4 plus 5, which is equal to 15. 30 by 15 is equal to 2. So 2 days ABC were working together. So ABC worked for 2 days. Now total number of days. Total number of days is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 3, which is equal to 7 days. So option C is your answer. ABC together worked for 2 days. BC together worked for 2 days. C alone worked for 3 days. Now total number of days is 2 plus 2 plus 3, which is equal to 7. You can do this in different way as well. Let X be the total number of days to complete this work. Then A left 5 days before the work, means A worked for X minus 5 days. And B left 2 days after A had left, means B worked for X minus 3 days, because 5 minus 2 is 3. And C worked for whole days, that is C worked for X days. Now 60 is the total work. That means 60 is equal to, total work is equal to work done by A plus work done by B plus work done by C. Here efficiency of A is 6. So 6 into number of days A worked is equal to work done by A. So 6 into X minus 5 is the work done by A, and efficiency of B is 5. So 5 into X minus 3 is the work done by B, plus efficiency of C is 4. So 4X is the work done by C, which is equal to total work 60 unit. 6X plus 5X plus 4X is 15X minus 6 into minus 5, 30. 5 into minus 3, 15, which is equal to 60. That means 15x is equal to 105. That means x is equal to 7 days. So option C is your answer. A can complete a piece of work in 10 days, B in 15 days, C in 20 days. A and C worked together for 2 days and then A was replaced by B. In how many days altogether the work was completed? Here A can complete a work in 10 days. B can do the same work in 15 days. C can complete the same work in 20 days. Now all are doing the same job. So take the LCM of 10, 15 and 20. LCM is 60. 10 goes 6 times in 60. 15 goes 4 times in 60. 20 goes 3 times in 60. Now the concept of this diagram means 60 unit is the total work. A's efficiency is 6 unit, means A can complete 6 unit of work in a day. B's efficiency is 4 unit, means B can complete 4 unit of work in a day. C's efficiency is 3 unit, means C can complete 3 unit of work in a day. Here question clearly says first A and C work together for 2 days. Then A was replaced by B and B and C completed the remaining work. Here you can see efficiency of A and C in 1 day is 6 plus 3, 9 unit. Efficiency of A and C is 6 plus 3, 9 unit. And efficiency of B and C is 4 plus 3, 7 unit. Now A and C worked for 2 days. In 1 day A and C can complete 9 unit of work. In 2 days A and C can complete 18 unit of work. Right? So total work here is 60 unit. And work completed by A and C in 2 days is 9 into 2, 18 unit. Because in 1 day A and C can complete 9 unit of work. In 2 days A and C can complete 18 unit of work. So the remaining work is, total work is 60, completed work is 18. So remaining work is 42 unit. So this is complete. This is completed by B and C. So time taken by B and C to complete the remaining work. Remaining work is 42 unit and efficiency of B and C is 7 unit. So B and C will take 6 days to complete the remaining work. So total time taken by all these three is 2 days plus 6 days, which is equal to 8 days. So 8 days is taken to complete this work. Option D is your answer. A can complete a piece of work in 18 days, B in 20 days, C in 30 days. B and C together start the work and are forced to leave after 2 days. The time taken by A alone to complete the remaining workers. Here, A can complete a work in 18 days and B can complete the same work in 20 days and C can complete the same work in 30 days. Now all are doing the same job. So take the LCM of 18, 20 and 30. Here LCM is 180. Now 18 goes 10 times in 180, 20 goes 9 times in 180, 30 goes 6 times in 180. Now the concept of this diagram means 180 unit is the total work. Now A's efficiency is 10, B's efficiency is 9, C's efficiency is 6. That means A can complete 10 unit of work in a day, B can complete 9 unit of work in a day, C can complete 6 unit of work in a day. Now here the question says B and C started the work. B and C started the work and they worked together for 2 days. Then after B and C leave and the remaining work is completed by A. So we need to find out in how many days A completed the remaining work. Here efficiency of B and C is 9 plus 6, 15 unit. That means B and C can complete 15 unit of work in a day. But here B, C worked for 2 days. That means in 2 days they completed 2 into 15, 30 unit of work. So the remaining work is 180 minus 30, which is equal to 150 unit, which is completed by A. And efficiency of A is 10 unit. That means the remaining work 150 unit is completed by A in 150 by 10, which is equal to 15 days. So option C is your answer. Here remaining work is 180 minus 30, which is equal to 150 unit. And time taken by A to complete the remaining work is 150 by remaining work by efficiency of A is 10 unit. So 15 days. A can do a piece of work in 20 days, B in 30 days. They work together for 7 days and then both leave the work. Then C alone finishes the remaining work in 10 days. In how many days will C finish the full work? Here A can complete a work in 20 days, B can complete the same work in 30 days. Now the question says A and B started the work and they worked together for 7 days. Then they left the work and the remaining work is completed by C in 10 days. So C only completed the remaining work. So we need to find out in how many days C can finish the full work. Here LCM of 20 and 30 is 60. So 60 unit is the full work. 20 goes 3 times in 60, 30 goes 2 times in 60. Efficiency of A is 3 unit, efficiency of B is 2 unit. So efficiency of A and B is 3 plus 2, 5 unit. That means A and B can complete 5 unit of work in a day. So A and B work together for 7 days. So in 7 days, work completed by A and B is 7 into 5 unit. In 1 day, A and B finish 5 units. So in 7 days, A and B finish 35 unit of work. So the remaining work is, total work is 60 unit, completed work is 35. So remaining work is 25 unit. and this 25 unit is completed by C in 10 days. So efficiency of C is work completed by C is 25 unit and time taken by C to complete the 25 unit is 10 days. So efficiency is 2.5 unit. That means efficiency of C is 2.5 unit here. So total work is, full work is 60 unit. So time taken by C to complete this full work is 60 by 2.5, which is equal to 24 days. So option C is your answer. Total work is 60 unit and efficiency of C is 2.5 unit. That is, C can finish 2.5 unit of work in one day. So 60 unit of work will finish in 60 by 2.5, which is equal to 24 days. So option C is your answer.